Hello there, beautiful people. Now, listen, your animal spirit guide is a guide to you, okay? And pay attention to the animals that you see on a continual basis, all right? That's definitely spirit animal guide and spirit guide communication and assistance. And also in this present situation, the energy of crystals will assist you. Okay, so go ahead and meditate on any crystal frequency that you are being called to, that you are feeling at this time. Let me get this animal guide card. Done fell on the damn floor. Okay, we got the owl. Okay, seek out a deeper knowledge to see through any deception. Is your animal spirit guide is trying to tell you somebody lying.